Never use the roadside jack that's supplied with the car for anything other than emergency roadside repairs. If you're going to DIY your car, make sure you get yourself a good quality jack and good quality jack stands. Whenever jacking up the car, make sure you are on a very solid and level surface. Have the transmission park, apply the parking brake, along with chocking the wheels on the side opposite of where you are lifting. The BMW E39 models have 4 solid rubber jacking pads slightly behind the front wheels and slightly in front of the rear wheels, green arrows. The jack pads are designed to support the vehicle from below when using a hoist, hydraulic jack, or when changing a tire in an emergency situation. This is where you will place the jack stand to support the vehicle when working with a raised vehicle, green arrow. If a jack pad is missing, replace it before jacking up the vehicle, otherwise body damage can occur. This photo shows a jack pad area with a missing jack pad. The jack pad snaps into the hole in the body, green arrow. You can see this is a typical East Coast vehicle. There's a fair amount of surface rust around the jack pad area. If you have a situation like this, I would repair the rust before jacking in this area. To replace a jack pad, lever the jack pad out of the body. I like to use a large flathead screwdriver. Then snap the new jack pad into place. Then use a rubber hammer to drive the jack pad into the body. To jack up the vehicle, park the vehicle on solid level ground. If you're removing a wheel, loosen the wheel studs before jacking up the vehicle. Install the wheel chocks to block the wheels that are not being jacked up. This will help to keep the vehicle from unexpectedly rolling. Do not assume the parking brake or transmission will hold the vehicle. Wheel chocks are a must. There is not enough room to jack and support the vehicle in the jack pad area at the same time. When using a hydraulic floor jack to lift the front of the vehicle, place the hydraulic floor jack under the steel box section of the body, green arrow. Raise the vehicle slowly while monitoring the jack and vehicle position. Once you reach the desired height, install the jack stand at the jack pad location to support the vehicle. Slowly lower the vehicle onto the jack stand until the full vehicle weight is supported. Check that the jack stands are not tilting or moving when lowering the vehicle. You can add a second jack stand under the steel box section of the body for added support. There is not enough room to jack and support the vehicle in the jack pad area at the same time. When using a hydraulic floor jack to lift the rear of the vehicle, place the hydraulic floor jack under the center of the rear differential, green arrow. Again, slowly raise the vehicle while monitoring the jack and the vehicle position. Since you are lifting the vehicle from the centermost point in the rear, I suggest placing jack stands under both rear jack pads. It will make it easier to keep the vehicle level while lowering it onto jack stands. Once you reach the desired height, install the jack stand at the jack pad location to support the vehicle. Slowly lower the vehicle onto the jack stand until the full vehicle weight is supported. Check that the jack stands are not tilting or moving when the vehicle is lowered. You can leave the hydraulic jack under the rear differential for added support. When lowering your vehicle, raise the vehicle up off the jack stands, remove the jack stands from beneath the vehicle, and slowly lower the vehicle to the ground. Make sure all tools and parts are clear before lowering your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.